Hello everyone, happy Monday. So for today's tutorial, it's going to be more of a tip rather than a tutorial, but I figured it's actually a pretty important tip. I'm going to be using one of our newest Turkish squares in the burgundy color. It's also available in 6 other beautiful colors. So the tip is basically, so these squares are, I don't want to say they're on the smaller side, but they are 31 inches squared versus bigger squares. And what we usually do when we put on a square is we fold it in half to get a triangle, right? We fold it exactly in half, just a standard way of doing it. And you put it on, whether you tie over the middle portion or under the middle portion. I'm just gonna let it be. And then when you take this to the back to tuck it in, it becomes a little bit more fitted because we don't have as much space in the back over here. So what I recommend doing with shorter squares is not to fold it exactly in half. What you'll do is you'll make one side shorter than the other side. So if you see, this is where one of the corners is, this is where the other one is. So in essence, it makes one side longer. So when you put it on, and then we'll bring this up, tie the 2 tails, take this down, and when you tuck it in, you can have a little bit more volume back here, so it won't be so fitted to your head. Then you just adjust it, and then you have perfect length tail. Is not too long, not too short. Something really comfortable for every day. Have a great day.